Hi friends, this video shows how to unlock phone without pressing power button. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to home screen and lock screen. Go down. Then here you can see raise to wake. Enable this feature. Just tap here. Done. Then let me test. Let me lock the screen. And then I am going to just raise this phone. See, it's automatically unlocked. I don't need to press this power button. Let me try again. Let me lock it. Then just raise the phone. See. So this way without using that power button, we can unlock the phone. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.